I'm Mike Trim. These are 3 stories to keep track of Monday, August 21st. Tropical storm Hillary causing widespread flash flooding and mudslides in California. Listen to this.
What? The bottom line. Come here.
That mudslide trapped some firefighters in San Bernardino. A 5.1 magnitude earthquake hit Ojai, California overnight, and you can see in relation how far that is from Los Angeles. No widespread or significant damage. In fact, no widespread damage here. In fact, most of the video, like this one in Ventura, California, just shows minor shaking like this plant. New polling shows former President Trump far ahead of other GOP candidates.